there, this is Miss Deesa, and a little while ago a Lindbergh Flyer friend of mine asked me if I would show her how to draw a star. So I thought you might be interested in it also. So the way that I draw a star is I start at the bottom and I draw like a straight line going up, and it looks kind of like the letter A. Then the next line after that is a little trickier. I look at this line that I had first drawn and I try to imagine it's in three different parts, and I go a third of the way through that line from the bottom, and then from here I go across this line, the second line that I drew, about a third of the way through. A third means like if you divided this line into three equal parts, one of the parts would end up right here. 1, 2, 3. So from there, I would go to here, and then there's one more line left, and it comes back down to where we started. So there you have your star. It looks okay. Every star that I draw is different, and hardly any of them are perfect. If you want perfect, you could go to a book or some place where you could buy stars. But if you just wanted to practice, it would be fun if you picked up some mail or something with an envelope that had a space on the back, and then you could practice your stars here. Or if you had a star like this, you could say, I wonder how many triangles I could find on this star. So take a look and maybe pause your computer for a minute and count the triangles. I'll count with you. I counted 8. Did you get 8? I'll put the numbers on them for you and show you where they are. The first one is here on top. We'll call that triangle number 1. The next one will be on the other next side. That'll be number 2. And we'll count this as number 3. And this one is number 4. This one is number 5. Now, the tricky part comes. Did you see the rest of the triangles? Let's say we're going to find another triangle starting from here, and we'll go from here, and we'll call this the top. Down here, there's another triangle in blue. We'll call that triangle 6. And then we'll take a purple, and we'll call this the top of triangle number 7. So there's a side, there's a side, and there's a side. So that'll be the top of number 7. Then one more triangle. I said there were 8. And this will be the top of number 8. Actually, it looks like the bottom. So here's a triangle. So as you can see, there are 8 triangles. A triangle, of course, it has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and 3 points. 1, 2, 3. So that's your triangle. And if you wanted to make a star that had 6 points, you could make one triangle and then another triangle on top of that. Here's your 6-pointed star, and here's your 5-pointed star. So have fun practicing your stars, and you can, if you have chalk or a sidewalk nearby, you could practice outside too. See you next time.